Guys, today we have Huawei Nova 5T camera lens replacement. Customer bring this device and told us the lens of the camera is broken and the picture of the camera is blurred or it's not focusing, something like that. So he told us that he need to make this fixed. So we are going to heat the glass with the heat gun. We need to put a few amount of the heat. You can start by 150 Celsius degree. You can heat for a few seconds because we don't need to damage the cameras during this work. While you are doing this, I recommend you to wear a goggles to protect your eyes. The glass could fly anywhere including to your eyes, so this is important. Also, you can wear gloves to your hands. I have already wearing a goggles, but I didn't wear a gloves because I have dealing with glass for long time. I'm not tried doing this, but I know it's wrong for me, but I recommend you to wear gloves and goggles, and then you can start removing the glass. This operation is very precise because we don't need to damage the cameras. If we go to the lenses, then it's game over and we need to replace it. Also, the broken glass could damage the lenses, so we need to be careful, and the heat need to be controlled. You can continue removing piece by piece, and after that we need to remove the glue if there is a glue. I didn't want to speed this up for you. This is the case I worked with no speed. I wanted from you to see the exact time I took to remove the lenses and put a new one. Every time when you see too much glass everywhere, you can flip the device and remove whatever is left from the glass and remove it from your bench. Now we are done removing the glass. Now we are going to remove the adhesive or the double face. It's important because we have our own adhesive. We need to remove every tiny piece of the glass and with the adhesive. After that, we can proceed with the glass replacement. I'm trying to clean without even touching the cameras. This is very important. Now we can clean the lenses without any alcohol before installing the new camera lenses. This is the adhesive. You have to be very precise how to put it We need it inside, not outside. You can remove the sticker now. The adhesive is still in there. Okay, now we are going to put the glass replacement. It's with one direction. You have to be first confirm the direction and then you can put it down. I think it will be difficult if you missed the places and put it and then you can't remove it again. It's one way down. Make sure and then you can press it down on position, and that's it. That was for today. If you have any question, you can just write it down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.